Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on the OnePlus Pad 3. So first, let's adjust the media volume. So we need to go over to the settings. Now here, go to sound, and now make sure that our media volume is actually turned all the way to the right. So now make sure to disable the do not disturb mode, so you guys can find it here. As you guys can see in the control center, now it's enabled, and now when it's gray, it's disabled. So now if none of that worked, then try cleaning the speaker grills. So they are here and here, and they are on both ways, as you guys can see here and here. So basically try to clean them with something soft and nothing metallic. So now if none of that worked, then as a last resort, you can check to update the software to fix any audio glitches. So go to settings, and in here go to system and update. Now go to software update and make sure that you're running the latest version of the Oxygen OS, just like me. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.